Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at this absolutely stunning, from stern to rear, 72 Cheyenne. Paint on this is phenomenal. Wheels on it look great, chrome's in great shape. I mean, this puppy is nice. She's not perfect, but man, she is close to it. I mean, as close as you can get without being perfect, I guess. But she fires right up, cold or warm. She looks amazing. Really cool truck. Interior is just as nice as the exterior as well. I love these textured seats. I think those are so cool. Door panels are in really good shape. So is the carpet. So is the dash. So I guess enough with the gawking though, right? Let's go take it for a spin. See what this beauty can do. Even just right here in the parking lot, I can already tell the drive quality on this thing is going to be crazy nice. Power steering feels phenomenal. Oh man, so smooth. Let's do a little brake check. Passes with flying colors. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Personally, this is something that I can see myself owning. I mean, I really like this. Really like this, guys. I can't express that enough. I know it's hard to kind of convey in these videos the drive quality, but this thing's on another level. I mean, it's just, it drives as nice as it looks. I'll just put it that way. We got working gauges. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. AC kicked on. Ooh, blowing nice and cold. Nice and strong too. I hope you guys saw the dust. But anyway, I'm gonna go make a UE. We'll get her back to the shop on the lift. Show you guys the underbelly, but I'm sure it's just as nice as everything else on this thing. Man, I like this. All right, anyway, I'll see you guys when she's up in the air.